Good day everyone. I am the representative of Group 2. And today, I will be talking about understanding sampling distribution using family data. The first thing is, we need to gather data for our sampling data. By doing that, we use our group siblings data. So for me, I have 4 siblings, 3 for Mindiola, 3 for Villacampa, and 5 for Villavelas. With this data, we are now able to compute for our population mean, variance, and standard deviation. So for our population mean, we have 3.75, for variance, 0.68, for standard deviation is 0.82. So for the next slide, we now have our sample mix table. So for the next slide, we are now able to gather our sample mix table. This is the data after we gathered.
Sige lang.
1, 2,
Go!
This is the data after we gather it. 3.66 is the most repeated number and 5 is the least repeated number in our sample mix table. We will have our histogram. So we have to label each number. Since we are now done in our probability, probability.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Since we are now done,
1, 2, 3, go.
since we are now done for probability distribution, the next thing we do is we now have to graph for the histogram. So this is our histogram looks like. Since we are now done on our computation, the last thing to do is for the guide questions. It seems like the population mean is equal to the sample mean. For the population variance is greater than the sample variance. And the last thing is the standard shows how the variation in the sample means on the n equals 3 is less than the variation of the individual number of each person's siblings.